A Twin Cities motorcyclist suffered a broken leg when he crashed into a motorist who fled from the scene and then was robbed after he was knocked unconscious. Evan Wise captured the crash on his helmet camera, which shows a car pull out in front of him in an apparent attempt to make a U-turn in Minneapolis last Sunday. His helmet camera flew off, but kept recording as the driver fled and a number of people gathered around. Unfortunately, Wise later learned one of the people that surrounded him stole money from his wallet. Wise says the video doesn't clearly show who took the money.